Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In previous few of the videos, we have seen the basic proportionality theorem, and in the next videos, we have solved about 8 to 10 examples involving the same Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Now let us see few more theorems which are important to the point of view of this chapter. Some other important theorems. Number one, AAA similarity criterion. AAA stands for angle similarity criterion. So the statement of AAA similarity criterion is, in two triangles, if all the three angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of the other triangle, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or in other words, their corresponding sides are proportional. Hence, the two triangles are similar. This is the statement of AAA, that is angle similarity criterion. So here triangle ABC and triangle DEF are the two triangles. In these two triangles, if angle A of triangle ABC is equal to angle D of triangle DEF, in the same way angle B of triangle ABC is equal to the corresponding angle E of triangle DEF, and in the same way, if angle C is equaling to angle F, then their corresponding sides must be in same ratio, that is AB upon DE must be equal to BC upon EF must be equal to AC upon DF. So in triangles ABC and DEF, if A is equal to D, B is equal to E, and C is equal to angle F, then AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Hence, triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. This is the first theorem, that is AAA similarity criterion. Now the second one is S similarity criterion. So 3S stands for side similarity criterion. So this is exactly the converse of this statement. In two triangles, if all the three corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then their corresponding angles are equal, hence triangles are similar. So this statement is nothing but the converse of this statement. Okay, in these two triangles, ABC one triangle, DEF another triangle, in these two triangles, if AB upon DE is equaling to BC upon EF is equaling to AC upon DF, then angle A must be equal to angle D, angle B must be equal to angle E, and angle C must be equal to the corresponding angle F from triangle DEF. Hence, these two triangles must be similar. So, in triangles ABC and DEF, it is written, if AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF, then angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Hence, ABC, triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. This is the second what you call criterion, that is yes similarity criterion of two triangles. So dear students, the third criterion is SAS similarity criterion. The statement of this criterion says, in two triangles, if one angle of one triangle is equal to the corresponding angle of the other triangle, and the corresponding sides of both the triangles including that angle are in the same ratio, then the triangles must be similar. This is what the statement of SAS, that is side angle side similarity criterion. So let us see the figures. Triangle ABC, triangle DEF, two triangles are given. In these two triangles, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. In triangles ABC and DEF, if AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF and angle B is equal to angle E, then these two triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. So in this way, these three important theorems. First one is AAA criterion, another one is SSS similarity criterion of triangles, and the third one is SAS similarity criterion of triangles. So on these three theorems, in the next videos, let us solve few of the problems. Dear students, we have seen three theorems, that is AAA criterion, SSS criterion and SAS criterion. So to solve examples based on these three theorems, we have to have the knowledge of alternate angles, corresponding angles and vertically opposite angles. Now here AB and CD are two parallels and EF is a transversal which is intersecting the two parallels at two distinct points, and at each distinct point four angles are made: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle number 5, angle number 6, angle number 7 and angle number 8. Now here angle number 1 and angle number 7, this is first pair of alternate angles. Angle 2 and angle 8, second pair of alternate angles, and these as forming in the exterior part, therefore they are called exterior alternate angles. And the third pair is 4 and 6, and the fourth pair is of 3, angle number 3 and angle number 5. They are forming internally, therefore they are called interior alternate angles. These all are the pairs of alternate angles, and you must remember that alternate angles are equal. This is the property, a very important property of alternate angles. Now coming to corresponding angles. So again, if you look at the figure, two parallels and one transversal, the angle number 1 and angle number 5, they are forming at the same side of the transversal. This pair is the first pair of corresponding angles. The second pair of corresponding angles is 4 and 8. The third one is 2 and 6, okay, and the fourth one is 3 and 7. So 1 5, 2 6, 3 7 and 4 8, all these four pair are the four pairs of corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are also equal, you have to remember. Now vertically opposite angles. So if a line segment cuts the other line segment at a point, the two angles forming in the opposite direction are called a pair of vertically opposite angles. So in this figure, these two are called vertically opposite angles, and these two is another pair of vertically opposite angles. So in this figure, angle number 1 and angle number 3, the first pair of VOA, 2 and 4, the second pair of vertically opposite angles, 5 and 7, the third pair of vertically opposite angles, and 6 and 8 is another or fourth pair of vertically opposite angles. So all these are the four different pairs of vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are also equal in measure. This is also you have to remember, and it is the property of vertically opposite angles. So these three types of angles what we are going to make use while solving the examples based on the three theorems, that is SSS, AAA and SAS similarity criterion of triangles.